Garcia, the host, and today we have a singer, Gloria Arias, here to talk about her new album, Noisy. Hello, Gloria Arias. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you, a pleasure, Amy.
How do you manage so many projects without losing focus?
With enough organization and discipline, I use a calendar and try to disconnect when I can.
That sounds great. Let's talk about your new album, Noisy. What surprised you about the creative process?
It was challenging to find the balance between my vision and the artist's expectation, but it's working.
Great. Your fan base is incredible. How does that support make you feel?
It's amazing. I feel fortunate to have a positive impact on their lives.
So good. And can you give us a sneak peek at any upcoming project you have?
I'm working on something exciting, but I can't reveal much yet.
Oh, so sad. And what's been the biggest challenge in your career?
Moments of doubt, but learning to trust my intuition helped me move forward.
Great. What advice will give you to young people who want to follow in your footsteps?
Follow your passion, be persistent, and the key is to never stop learning.
Great. That's all. Thank you for joining us today, Gloria.
Thank you, it's been a pleasure.
And to all of you, thanks for being with us. See you soon.